My name is Julio Fernandez Esperoni. I'm from Buenos Aires, Argentina. I farm in the Entre Rios province, which is about 2.5 hours from Buenos Aires. Well, my farm is nearby the Uruguay River. It's right beside it. We have a lowland. When the river comes up, it gets flooded, so we have to get the cows all out quite quick. That has some good things and some bad things. We keep moisture in the farm, but when the river is coming out high, it comes real fast, so you got to be very active in removing the cattle from the lowlands.
Good. Hop, 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 hop. ¡Hola, gorda! ¡Arriba!